2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee represents the latest evolution of Jeep's iconic SUV lineup. Combining rugged capability with modern technology and refined comfort, this new generation model is built to perform equally well on city roads and off-road trails. In this article, we will explore the design, performance, interior, features, safety technologies, and overall value of the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2025 and refined exterior design. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 2025 maintains its classic Jeep DNA while embracing a more modern and aerodynamic design. The signature 7-slot grille has been refined and flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the SUV a more sophisticated look. The sculpted body lines and blacked-out trims, optional, enhance its sporty appeal, while functional features like roof rails and skid plates maintain its off-road readiness. The rear of the vehicle features wraparound LED taillights and an available hands-free power liftgate for convenience. With multiple trims available, including the rugged Trailhawk and luxurious Summit Reserve, buyers can choose a style that suits their personality. Powertrain options and performance. Jeep offers a range of powertrains in the 2025 Grand Cherokee to meet different driving needs. 3.6-liter Pentastar 6 produces 293 horsepower and delivers reliable performance for daily driving, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 5.7-liter Hemi 8 offers 357 horsepower and excellent towing capacity up to 7,200 pounds, perfect for drivers who need more power. 4xe plug-in hybrid combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with electric motors for a total of 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, delivers around 25 miles of electric-only range and improved fuel efficiency. All powertrains come with Jeep's proven 4-wheel drive systems, including QuadraTrac I, QuadraTrac 2, and QuadraDrive 2. The available QuadraLift air suspension system provides up to 10.9 inches of ground clearance and adjustable ride height for optimal on-road and off-road versatility. Luxurious and spacious interior step inside the Grand Cherokee 2025, and you're welcomed by a cabin that blends luxury with practicality. High-quality materials, such as leather upholstery, wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces, elevate the feel of the interior. The standard 2-row version offers ample space for 5 passengers, while the Grand Cherokee L variant adds a 3rd row for up to 7 occupants. Heated and ventilated seats, 4-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof ensure comfort for all passengers. Infotainment is handled by Jeep's Uconnect 5 system, with a standard 10.1-inch touchscreen, larger in higher trims. Features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and multiple USB ports. Higher trims also offer a passenger display and a premium Macintosh audio system with 19 speakers. Technology and features. The 2025 Grand Cherokee is loaded with tech that enhances both driving and passenger experience. Digital driver display, a 10.25-inch customizable instrument cluster, head-up display, HUD, projects navigation and driver alerts onto the windshield. Night vision camera, detects pedestrians and animals beyond headlight range. Rear seat monitoring system, helps prevent rear seat passenger neglect. Hands-free driving assist, available on select trims for semi-autonomous highway driving. Wireless phone charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and Amazon Alexa integration are also part of the modern digital ecosystem Jeep offers. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Grand Cherokee. It comes standard with more than 110 safety and security features, including forward collision, warning with active braking, blind spot monitoring and rear cross path detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning and lane keep assist, advanced park assist with automated parallel and perpendicular parking. Optional features like the 360-degree surround view camera and intersection collision assist further enhance driver awareness. Off-road capabilities. True to its heritage, the Grand Cherokee 2025 excels off-road. The Trailhawk trim is designed specifically for rugged terrain, featuring standard quadra-drive 2 four-wheel drive system, electronic limited-slip rear differential, select terrain traction management with rock mode, skid plates and red tow hooks, class-leading articulation and water fording capability, up to 24 inches. Whether you're navigating steep trails or snow-covered roads, the Grand Cherokee's off-road prowess ensures confidence and control. Fuel economy and efficiency. Fuel economy varies depending on the powertrain. V6 models, estimated 19 miles per gallon city, 26 miles per gallon highway. V8 models, around 14 miles per gallon city, 22 miles per gallon highway, 4X plug-in hybrid. Up to 56 miles per gallon equivalent with electric-only driving, and approximately 25 miles of EV range. The 4xe version stands out as the most efficient option, especially for those with shorter daily commutes or access to regular charging. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Grand Cherokee is available in a wide range of trims. 1. Laredo, entry-level with solid standard features. 2. Altitude, sporty design elements and upgrades. 3. Limited, adds more comfort and tech. 4. Overland, luxury and off-road capability combined. 5. Trailhawk, optimized for off-road use. 6. Summit, high-end interior and advanced safety. 7. Summit Reserve, top-of-the-line trim with premium materials. 8.4 XE hybrid variants, available in select trims for eco-conscious drivers. Pricing starts around $43,000 for the base Laredo and can exceed $70,000 for the Summit Reserve 4XI. Conclusion: a complete package. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 2025 continues the brand's legacy of blending rugged performance with upscale refinement. With its diverse powertrain options, luxurious interior, and industry-leading safety tech, it stands out in the competitive midsize SUV market. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a city commuter, or a family driver, the Grand Cherokee offers a configuration that suits your lifestyle. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a capable, connected, and comfortable partner for any journey.